Pating Reviews presents NUWAVE BRIO Air Fryer 14 quart large capacity air fryer. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get the best possible price. This air fryer changed my life. This NUWAVE BRIO is my first experience using an air fryer, and boy, has it been a game changer. While I love the healthy benefits of not having to use so much fat to cook, it has made some things I have had difficulty cooking in the past a total breeze. Tofu, for instance, is now super easy to make as I'm a vegetarian. French fries too. It is a cinch to set up, program, and most importantly clean. It does take up a lot of countertop space, but that's not a big deal because of all the features that it includes. I'm really going to enjoy it come summer when I want to cook without dealing with the heat. A truly wonderful product, and I plan on getting one for a friend's wedding gift in a couple of months. Every kitchen should have one of these. Definitely recommend this air fryer as it is a great deal and has lots of awesome features. Here is a bit more information about this air fryer. The 14 quart Brio uses super heated air and a special airflow design to cook crispy, delicious fried foods without messy oil and extra fats and calories. Flavor-Infusion Technology allows you to air fry all your favorites, even cook from frozen without defrosting. It's the perfect combination of capacity and versatility. Perfect for busy households on the go. Using the integrated digital temperature probe means you never have to guess again. Insert the probe, set the temperature, and touch and go. The Brio cooks until your food is perfect and then shuts off automatically, so you'll never undercook or overcook meals again, guaranteed. The Brio's cooking technology and large capacity means you can use it for virtually every meal of the day and dessert. With a cooking range from 100 Fahrenheit to 400 Fahrenheit degrees, you can air fry, broil, roast, grill, sear, bake, reheat, and even dehydrate all in one appliance right on your countertop. And with 100 pre-programmed presets and the ability to store more of your own meals are done with just the press of a button. The Brio features high-quality stainless steel racks and a stainless steel drip tray. All the pieces go into the dishwasher and cleanup is fast and easy. Every 14 quart Brio includes 3 cooking racks, drip tray, integrated temperature probe, rotisserie kit, owner's manual with recipes, 100 pre-programmed presets, NUWAVE Cooking Club app, and 1-year limited warranty. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.